Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the phone and PC OS versions and whether updates are pending, because mismatched versions can block linking. Next, make sure both devices use the same Wi-Fi and that the phone battery is above 50% to prevent interruptions. Sign into the same account on both devices so permissions sync correctly. Once done, open the Phone Link app on your PC and tap Link a phone on the phone to initiate the pairing code process. You now handle the core pairing and permissions. Scan the QR or manually enter the code displayed on your PC. This authenticates the connection. Then grant the app required permissions, notifications, SMS, contacts, and media, because without them the features won't work. Make sure to allow background activity and exclude the app from aggressive battery optimization so messages and calls sync reliably. Once permissions are accepted, confirm the device appears connected on both screens and test a quick message to verify. To finish, validate every feature. Send a message, make a call, and transfer a file to confirm end-to-end functionality. If something fails, reboot both devices first. A restart often resolves network or permission glitches, and then relink the phone. If problems persist, clear the Phone Link app cache or uninstall and reinstall it to reset corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if syncing still fails, temporarily disable VPNs and security apps, because they commonly block the pairing handshake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.